Morning everyone. It's been a long time since my last vlogging here um, in our outdoor of our house. Ay! Early speaking. Uh, I could have included him in the video. I wanted to show you it's how the place have been uh, look like since it had been demolished. uh, I think it is, I don't know if it has reached already a month, and the garden is also included. And what I wanted to feature you, not this demolish happenings, but what I have done or what I have progressed before the demolish happened here. Um, it's a wonderful um, discovery that I have made, which is already common to everyone, but mostly not applied by everyone, but only read on the internet or some articles. Is that and um, like uh, water tea. What I usually do here or experiment here or apply to my plants, so as a supplement for my um, container plants, is that I make a water tea, potato and banana water tea. Um, but uh, um, before this was demolished, it was nearly the due time for demolishing. I was able to mix mix the water tea with carrot peels because I was becoming lazy already of segregating the peels from, because we have a food business here in Panada, and our main ingredients are carrots and potato. And I usually segregate the potato peel because um, I will be using it for the water tea. But now I was really becoming lazy, so I mix the carrot peel because I've also read that carrot peel is also very good um, amendment for soil. But for now, I dip it with I dip it in on the water. I included it in the water tea. So the big difference there with the potato peels on is that ever since this was demolished here already, this part here is the last one being demolished, and it's been already 3 weeks, I think. Is that I've never I've never watered it or supplied it with anything. But as you can see, the plants left here So what I was trying to say lately was the more you add the soil with the needed supplements um, the most important um, NPK, nitrogen, potassium, and the other one, NPK, potassium, and I forget the K. I've been in engineering, but I'm not anymore familiar with the elements, the elemental symbols. It's been long since I've not been reading about supplementing soils or you know. So the more you add supplements, the more it becomes unique. And I think the carrots that was added to the water tea is much more faster, making the soil more humid because it has been a while that I've been putting only potato and banana tea on the water as a water tea. But since I've mixed it with carrots, added with carrots, it's been only 3 days that I've supplied it with carrots. Then there was a quick progress of the plants, and even it's been already 3 weeks that I have not watered it, the plants are really surviving, and it is very um it's leafing a lot. There are many new leaves, and the new leaves na lang for it's it's there are plenty of leaves, so it's leaves. So it's been leafing a lot, new leaves, and even they're growing bigger and together, not just a part of, just a small part of the stems that you're seeing. We are seeing sprouts. So uh, so we'll be reading here about the carrot peel. What's the difference about it, and the carrot peel and the inner core of it. So what I have chosen an article here is that carrots consist of three major layers: the peel or skin, which is the outermost layer, which I mix on the water tea. The second is the phloem, intermediate layer, and the third is the xylem, inner core. I'll just read it. Generally, all of the peel and a very small portion of the phloem are removed when a carrot is peeled. So, when you peel a carrot, a portion of the phloem, a portion of it are removed, not just the outermost layer, which is the peel or skin. So, the phloem and the peel and a very small portion of the phloem are removed when a carrot is peeled. Vitamin C and niacin are most concentrated in the peel, but can be found in appreciable amounts in the phloem. So there is much more vitamin C and niacin in the phloem than the skin. When we peel the carrots, there's a portion of phloem, right, being removed also. So we get a portion of that concentrated vitamin C and niacin from the phloem. It's being removed during peeling. I'm sorry, it's really very redundant. As for beta carotene, an orange pigment and plant form of vitamin A, the peel and the phloem have approximately equal amounts of vitamin A. The beta carotene, which is an orange pigment and plant form of vitamin A, is the beta carotene, and the peel and the phloem have approximately equal amounts. That is why both peeled and unpeeled carrots have the same orange color. The xylem contains the lowest amount, about 10% of the total. Xylem is the inner core, the inner core of the carrot. So it contains the lowest amount of beta-carotene. But the xylem contains the majority of the calcium, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus present in carrots. And both peeled and unpeeled carrots are good sources of fiber. As for carrots, phytonutrients compounds with potential but uncertain health benefits. So it says, as for carrots, phytonutrients compounds with potential but uncertain health benefits. A little more than half are found in the peel. A little more than half are. However, about 40% of the phytonutrients are found in the phloem and about 10% in the xylem. So imagine phytonutrients are 40% found in the phloem and only 10% in the xylem. So there is really a big amount of supplements that can be obtained on the peel of the carrot. So done. Overall, while removing the peel reduces some phytonutrients and small amounts of the vitamins and minerals in carrots, there is plenty of nutritional value left behind. Remember, the peel is only a small portion of the total vegetable. If you prefer the taste, texture, or look of peeled carrots or the convenience of baby carrots, you can certainly incorporate them into a healthy dietary pattern, but this sweet vegetable is perfectly safe to eat and peeled as long as it is adequately washed. So that's all. So you see, what I'm really interested on the carrot peel is that it has a big amount of vitamin C, which is not really so much mentioned on potato. Potato peel has a big amount of potassium for which functions a bigger part in the plant. But I think what has been added to my to my to my to that to the to what I valued on the water tea that I made is the vitamin C, which I think is the one that is making the plant last longer even without watering. So that's it. That is what I am trying to point about in this vlog. But I'm not a professional, but I really love discovering what organic waste can do, recycling them and putting them back to bring forth life, right? It's really interesting. If me myself as a caretaker as a knowledgeable living being that can do it, is able to do it. So that's the point. It's very interesting that seeing this kind of work or whatever. So that's it. This will end my vlog. Until then, if I see interesting things again, find something that interests me, and so I will be able to upload another video. Thanks, guys.